Hi everyone, it's Allison Shaw here. I am a wellness coach and I'd like to tell you about my friend Pauline. She's a dedicated meditator and she wants to share her transformative journey with meditation. Pauline has a serene presence and a gentle smile and embodies the profound benefits of regular meditation practice. As an avid practitioner for years, she radiates inner peace and vitality. Through Pauline's heartfelt narrative, you'll discover how meditation has empowered her to navigate life's challenges with grace, cultivate mindfulness in everyday moments, and foster deep connections with herself and others. Her story serves as a beacon of inspiration, illuminating the profound potential for personal growth and well-being through the practice of meditation. Watch and enjoy.
Hello all, I'm Pauline Wills, and I'm absolutely amazed by the transformative power of meditation. It has brought me such immense benefits that I felt compelled to reach out to my friend Allison and ask her to create a video. My goal is to share my journey and inspire others to discover the incredible magic that can come from just a brief 10-minute daily meditation practice. Let's dive in. Meditation is a practice that has been around for centuries, with roots in various cultures and spiritual traditions. In recent years, it has gained widespread popularity as a tool for promoting mental and emotional well-being. There are many different types of meditation, each with its own techniques and goals. Some of the most common forms include, firstly, mindfulness meditation. This involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Second is guided meditation. In guided meditation, a teacher or recorded voice leads practitioners through a series of visualizations or instructions, helping them relax and focus their minds. Then there is transcendental meditation. Originating from Hindu traditions, transcendental meditation involves silently repeating a mantra. The fourth is loving-kindness meditation, and is also known as metta meditation. And finally, there's body scan meditation. In this practice, practitioners systematically scan their bodies, paying attention to any sensations or areas of tension. The benefits of meditation are wide-ranging and well-documented. I have found that I experienced satisfaction and even euphoria in most of the following characteristics: stress reduction, improved emotional well-being, enhanced concentration, promoting mindfulness, better physical health, and finally, greater resilience. Starting a meditation practice doesn't require any special equipment or prior experience. Here are some tips for getting started. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes of meditation each day. Secondly, find a quiet space. Choose a quiet, comfortable space. Experiment with different techniques. Try out different types of meditation to see what resonates with you. Be patient and kind to yourself. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. And lastly, stay consistent. Like any skill, meditation requires regular practice to see benefits. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool for promoting mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve concentration, or cultivate inner peace, incorporating meditation into your daily routine can have profound benefits for your overall health and happiness. I hope you will benefit from my insights. I strongly urge that everyone consider meditation as part of their daily regimen. It truly is life-changing. It certainly was for me.
Hello, it's Allison once more. I hope you found value and insights into the power of meditation. If you're interested in further exploring this practice, you can connect with Pauline's teacher and mentor, Giovanni, by clicking the link provided in the video's description box below. Giovanni is recognized as one of the world's top 5 meditation experts, and you'll gain invaluable lessons from him. Take this opportunity for yourself. Don't forget to click the link, subscribe, and give us a like. Thank you for your time.